never seen this much water here before. Hey guys, this is the first time I've come out here since the bushfires. I've been out to the Lost City a few times, except the other side of the tunnel is absolutely amazing. It's all ferns, rocks, it's awesome. So yeah, let's run some B-roll of that. We've even found a little miniature waterfall. Oh, how cool is this? Look at that, all the water coming down. Alright, so water on the opposite side of the train tunnel. You can see the train tunnel came out from there and pretty much went all the way through here. There is a walking track down there, hikes all the way to News Campground,